So first we're going to log in. We've already logged in from the last step. We're going to copy the snapshot jar file from our laptop to our EC2. Check the JDK version, make sure the right JDK version is installed, because remember when we pulled down the project we were using Java version 8. Then we're going to make sure that the application is running in the background, and then we're going to make sure that we actually see something on our website. So let's go through the first step, which is to copy the snapshot file from our laptop into our EC2 instance. We're going to run that scp command, scp-i. I'm not in the right directory. I need to be on the desktop. So scp-i, my key pair, so I'm copying my snapshot.jar into my EC2. So over here, I'm just going to grab this last bit because this is what I would need. I'm just going to paste it here. Okay. And where the location I want to make sure it gets to is just the root. So now it's copying. So we ran that command, and next we have to check our Java version, make sure that we have Java 8 installed. So we're going to run that java-version on our EC2 instance. All right, so now it's copied. Let's head back over to our EC2 instance. Let's do ls, and we see the file is there now. So now we're going to make sure that we have the correct Java version, java-version. Okay, so it looks like Java is not installed, so we're going to go ahead and run that other command to install it. So going back to the steps here, it says check JDK version with command. If you have 1.7, remove it and then install Java 8. We don't have 7 installed. Doesn't look like we have Java installed. So we're just going to go ahead and run this command, the sudo yum install java-1.8.0, and we're going to move forward with that. So over here, we're just going to run sudo yum install java-1.8.0. Yes. Should have used that -y parameter, but it's okay. All right, so now Java 8 is installed. So if I should run java-version, I should see Java 8. Okay, perfect. And by the way, 1.8 is the same thing as Java 8. Like 1.7 is the same thing as Java 7. So now we're going to run that no hop command. So make sure that the app is running in the background. Let's go again to our documentation here. So we already logged in, we already copied the snapshot file, we already checked the Java version, installed Java 8. Now we're running the no hop java-jar snapshot.jar to make sure that the app is running in the background, and then we're going to make sure that or URL or a public domain or our public IP actually yields something. I'm going to do no hop java-jar snapshot with the ampersand. So it should be running in the background now. And if I go to my instance, we want to focus on either the public IP or the public DNS. If I click on, let's grab the IP. Now we want to put port 8080 at the end. So now we have greetings from springBoot, and this is a DNS. So if I should grab the DNS here, put it here and put 8080, then this would be the results. Whether you use a DNS or the IP, you'll get the same thing. And just like we did before in Eclipse, if I put /store, I should have welcome to my store. Likewise, if I do it on the DNS side, put /store in the URL, welcome to my store, and that's it. You've created a very simple Spring Boot application You deployed it in EC2. Now this is a link that you can give to all of your friends and family if you wanted them to visit your website. They will access this link and free to access it at any time. As long as you don't terminate your EC2 instance or stop your EC2 instance, as long as you keep that running, then this link is going to be accessible. All right, so that is all for this video. Again, if you learned something, you got some value from it, please feel free to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.